Enterprise transformation projects. Enterprise Agile transformations fail at initiation. Agile is announced before strategy is defined. Executives declare, "We're going Agile," but cannot answer the why, for what business outcome, what will be different in 12 to 24 months. Large enterprises like ING, that is, NG's digital platform tribe goes Agile from the Agile Business Consortium, succeeded because Agile was tied directly to strategic goals, speed to market, digital banking, growth, not methodology adoption. Therefore, define transformation outcomes in business terms, reduce time to market by X%, improve digital revenue by Y%, increase release frequency from quarterly to bi-weekly. No strategic anchor equals ritual adoption. Transformation is owned by HR or the PMO instead of business. If Agile is led by HR, training program mindset, PMO, process governance mindset, external consultants, framework rollout mindset, it becomes a compliance exercise. Agile must be owned by business leadership. The solution is transformation sponsor must be a profit and loss owner, business executive, accountable for measurable outcomes. Framework first, operating model later. Enterprises often start with scaling frameworks like Scaled Agile Inc., that is SAFe, Scrum Alliance-driven Scrum rollouts, but do not redesign the funding models, governance, decision rights, organizational structure. The result is waterfall governance and agile vocabulary. Preferred approach is to redesign the operating model first with product-centric structure, long-lived cross-functional teams, decentralized decision authority, lean portfolio funding. Frameworks are tools, not strategies. No product model shift. Enterprise transformations falter on the following: project-based funding, temporary teams, annual budget cycles, scope-locked business cases. True transformation requires project to product shift. Successful transformations, for example, reported case studies involving Spotify's model influence, emphasize durable teams aligned to customer value streams. The solution is persistent product teams, value stream alignment, continuous funding, outcome-based measurement. Middle management threat response. This is one of the biggest silent killers. Agile reduces command and control authority, status reporting bureaucracy, gatekeeping roles. If middle managers feel displaced, they will slow decisions. They will reinstate old controls and demand excessive reporting. The approach is to redefine management roles, from task control to capability development, from reporting to obstacle removal, from approval to coaching. No structural dependency reduction. Enterprise systems are tightly coupled. Shared databases, central architecture review boards, release trains dependent on 10+ member teams. Agile fails when architecture is not modular. The shift required is early investment in platform teams, API-first architecture, DevOps automation, dependency mapping. Without technical decoupling, organizational agility collapses. Cultural change assumed, not designed. Executives say, we need a culture shift. However, incentives remain individual. Performance reviews punish failure. Bonuses are tied to scope delivery. Culture follows incentives. The prevention is align KPIs to customer value, rewards to team outcomes, promotion criteria to collaboration and adaptability. Transformation is treated as a program with an end date. Agile transformation is not a 12-month rollout, a certification target, a maturity model milestone. It is an operating model evolution. Failure happens when leadership declares success prematurely. Enterprise early warning signals. There is high risk if Agile office is created but the org chart is unchanged. The PMO still controls funding approvals. There are 3+ layers between the team and the customer. Release approvals require CAB meetings. Annual budgeting dictates scope commitments. Agile maturity score is a key success metric. Enterprise initiation checklist. Strategy and leadership. Clear business outcomes defined. Executive sponsor accountable for results. Leadership aligned on product-centric model. Structure. Long-lived cross-functional teams planned. Decision rights clarified. Funding model adjusted. Technology. Dependency analysis completed. Continuous integration and continuous delivery. Capability assessed. Architecture decoupling roadmap created. Culture and governance. Performance incentives updated. Middle management role redefined. Governance simplified for flow. Wrap up. Enterprise agile transformations fail at initiation, not because of poor Scrum execution, but because leaders attempt to change delivery mechanics without changing the power structures, the funding systems, organizational design, and incentives.